This bridge isn't just a shortcut across the ocean. It is the gateway to Kenya's future. This engineering marvel is the last of the 3 bridges found along the 17.5 kilometer Dongo Kundu Bypass. This bridge is the connection between Mombasa County and Kwale County, and it spans an incredible 1.4 kilometers across the Indian Ocean. Before we walk across this engineering marvel, from the Mombasa side of the bridge, the Kwale side of the bridge, let's go beneath the surface and uncover how this bridge was designed and constructed. From the approach slab, which has been nicely supported by the approach backfill and abutment, to the guider spans, Fujita professionally crafted this bridge with reinforced concrete and steel. The clear blue waters surrounded by the mangrove vegetation makes this bridge an impressive spectacle. Notice how each line of the bridge sits on a pier cap supported by 2 piers, which efficiently transfer vertical loads between the pier caps to the foundation of the piers. It is time to head up to the approach slab on the bridge deck and begin our journey across the beautifully erected 1.4 kilometer bridge. Immediately we begin our journey across the bridge, you notice that there are small designed holes at the bottom part of the deck. These are not regular holes. They are referred to as water outlets whose main purpose is to allow for quick removal of any water from the bridge to prevent flooding. There are also gaps on the deck along the span guiders, known as expansion gaps. These gaps on the walls of the bridge help maintain the shape of the bridge while it is being used. When being used, bridges normally expand and contract. These expansion gaps are assisted by the friction pile caps and the gaps between the span guiders, which help the bridge expand or contract depending on the temperature and vibration caused by the movement on the bridge. Mteza Bridge is said to stand on foundations that go up to 60 meters below the seabed, which is deeper than some of the most tallest buildings in Mombasa. Mteza Bridge is deeply rooted beneath the ocean floor. Its beams and slabs were meticulously placed to ensure not just stability but durability. The pile caps and piers were sunk deep enough to withstand the weight of traffic coming from the deck, as well as the unpredictable oceanic forces, including the force of gravity, the horizontal pressure gradient forces, Coriolis forces, and frictional forces. This bridge is here to stay. Just like Mwache Bridge and Mteza Bridge, this bridge has no wires or pipes cluttering our view. These solar-powered streetlights are properly bolted on the bridge with precision to reduce and prevent any type of vandalism. The bridge has been fitted with solar streetlights, showing Kenya's ambition of going green while harnessing the power of the sun. Everything from above here looks sleek and functional. You won't believe this, but before this bridge was launched in the year 2024, people only crossed this expansive ocean via boat. Crossing this ocean from one side to the other could take hours, costing time, money, and sometimes lives. During high tides, the trips were dangerous. Boats capsized and some even lost their lives. Not only was it not safe to cross by boat, but it was also expensive to get from one side to the other as boats were few in between. Crossing to the other side of the bridge is now both free and safe, with no accidents and loss of lives to worry about. What was once a dangerous journey has now become a quick and easy drive. Speaking of safety, the bridge's walkway or pedestrian pathway are built with concrete and steel, making them strong enough to prevent pedestrians from not only toppling over and falling into the ocean, but also from being hit by vehicles while using the bridge. It is mind-blowing to think how far we've come. This bridge has cut the journey time from Mombasa to Kwale down to under an hour. After the bridge was opened to pedestrians and vehicles, most road users prefer using this bridge over crossing the ferry. Before this bridge was launched, it took almost 2 hours to go from Mombasa to Kwale. The bridge is a game changer, not just for the locals, but for tourism, transportation, and trade with neighboring Tanzania. It's now quick and easy to go from Mombasa Beach to Ukunda Beach without fear of traffic or delay. Please take a few seconds to subscribe to our channel, like this video, comment, and share it with friends and family. Constructing this bridge did not have lots of negative impact on the ecosystem. For every mangrove tree that was cut during construction, 4 more mangrove trees were planted. From up here, you'd never guess that there was ever any disruption to this beautiful landscape, which is mostly covered by mangrove vegetation. With this project, the local community were also affected in a positive way. The government didn't just build a bridge, it built infrastructure to make lives easy, drilled boreholes for the communities, supplied schools with books, and created employment to hundreds of locals. History will judge this bridge, not just as a bridge, but as a lifeline. As I walked across the top deck of this bridge, it took every moment to appreciate the views. Each step felt different. The journey across this bridge was different from the tours across the other bridges we have so far made. So far, this has been our longest walk across a bridge in the coastal region of Kenya. The ocean breeze, the soothing sound of waves, and the realization that I was walking across a 1.4-kilometer marvel of human ingenuity makes this tour an experience like no other. Building this bridge also came with challenges. It cost billions of taxpayers' money. There were tight deadlines, tough weather conditions, and even environmental concerns. It is only through sheer determination and collaboration that this project was completed. If you ever get the chance, I highly recommend that you come walk across this bridge. It's a whole new way to see the Kenyan coastline. It only takes roughly 10 to 15 minutes to cross this bridge depending on your speed. The experience has been different compared to crossing the other bridges, which you can see from our infrastructure and bridge playlist. This bridge must easily be the most expensive bridge you have crossed so far. Just like the others in this Dongokundu series, the Mteza Bridge is a vital part of Mombasa and Kwale's past, present, and future. As you approach the end of this bridge, you can tell there is still more to see. Let's quickly go under the bridge from this side to find out what's next. Let's see if this side compares to the other side and what the bridge has to offer. It is from this side that you really get to appreciate the bridge and expertise used to construct this bridge. There is even a terrace to assist with collecting water from the bridge and sending it to the ocean. The vegetation and clear blue waters make this destination worth visiting. To enable us keep bringing you amazing stories like this, I need your help. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, share, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next adventure. And if you feel like supporting the channel further, please buy me coffee, send a donation, or even gift me with some super thanks. Every financial assistance received helps us continue this journey together, making sure that no story goes untold. From down here, notice how the span guiders are well distanced, how the water outlets are greatly fitted, and the substructure carefully done. Just like the other side, there are 2 opposite lanes of the bridge adjacent to each other. Each lane drives traffic to the opposite direction. The bridge from down here is supported by pier caps sunk deep enough under the seabed to support the bridge's foundation. The bridge is more beautiful from down here. You can appreciate it more from this position. You will notice that there are more outlets attached to the deck of the bridge and guiders. The aim is to prevent the bridge from overflowing when it floods. From where I stand, the ocean feels so therapeutic. Listening to the soothing oceanic sound waves makes everything feel beautiful and serene. Walking across the Mteza Bridge to publish this video has so far been an enjoyable thing and the best experience I have ever had crossing a bridge. You should probably come try this. This Dongo Kundu Bypass, if properly put into use, can easily generate lots of income. Activities such as marathons, triathlons and others can be conducted to not only create wealth but assist in health. Ladies and gentlemen, as I earlier said, making this video takes and needs a lot of resources. Feel free to give me to assist us in our journey. Please do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. See you in the next video and thanks for watching.